Hello to everyone. Today I am here with the topic how to build your career in finance part 4. If you are interested to grasp the concept of the topic, please do watch this video till end. And secondly, if you are interested to have update videos on banking and finance related topics, please do subscribe my channel. In the previous sessions, we have covered the technical skills analysis, soft skills analysis. Today we are going to discuss about the tools application analysis. In this session, we are going to cover why to learn Power BI, where to learn from Power BI, why to learn Power Query, where to learn from Power Query, why and why to, and what from learn accounting software. These topics we are going to discuss as introductory. Why to learn Power BI? Power BI is a tool that entities translating from business intelligence. This tool is applied for better report and dashboard. Now, where to learn? Connect two tables, create measures, choose the most appropriate chart based on your goal, link these several reports together to make a dynamic and the drill down dashboard. DX language. So it's a software language, or if any other language that can meet your requirement, you can use that language. Why to learn Power Query? One of the significant tools to overcome business failure is to collect the appropriate data and having the ability to analyze that data. Entity should have the personnel to mold and analyze the data according to requirement. Every business having its own requirement. So you should know that how to gather the data and from where you need to gather the data. Because data having the main significance, if you are able to gather the appropriate data, that will help you to have a success in your business. If the data is not appropriate or you avoid to use of any type of the data, the probability of business failure definitely enhance as per the data explains about the failure of multiple businesses. Where to learn how to import data from the different sources, how to transform the data, filter data based on criteria, how to create new calculated column, Power Query, M formula language. So here, after calculating, after having the data different sources, you have to compile and filter the data according to your requirement. And you may have developed the new columns to calculate your required data and have to use or develop the multiple or apply the multiple formulas according to your requirement. So if you are a skillful person, if not, you will have to learn the skills the way to apply the data, to apply the way to use the data to meet your requirements. Now, one of the another important skill required is why to learn accounting software. The employees should have the skills to understand and handle the software with in-house facility. So at different position, you give the rights to the people. Understanding is important for all the users. Top management having the more rights than the understanding of the data. In the past practices, they ask for the reports. People used to prepare the reports, but now every manager having or can generate the report according to its own requirement by using the software. The softwares not only help the entities in order to develop the reports or the graphical presentation, but also is used as appropriate tool to control the leakages within the entity. Here, were to learn basic feature of the software, how to set up software for an existing or a new entity. If your entity is having no software, you're working manually, you can shift by bringing the software within the organization. Or normally, in the present scenario, the new entities used to develop the software according to their requirement. No doubt software having the option to customize to meet your business needs. From time to time, if your business is enhancing or you are diversifying your business, so you can have the option to modify the software according to your requirement. That is called customized to meet the specific need of your business. How to make custom report, connection with other software. So these are the basic things that a finance person should have. Now, according to the time of the need, the new finance professional should also have to develop the skills related to blockchain, fintech, etc. Thank you very much. See you again with the upcoming topic related to finance and banking very soon.